And the race is on 9A Flying Ice Vermont Formidable Ella. Rushing up Royal Fair down on the inside Domek. And rushing up is Macalelon Reyes Gold. So real Dr. Choi Shades of Red River Bell is the early trailer. Formidable Ella by a length and a half, followed by Royal Fair. Vermont is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Rushing up is So Real Domek. Down on the inside, McCullough running in 6, running in 7. Dr. Choice, 8th position belongs to Reyes Gold. Shades of Red, Flying Eye, second last, River Bell. Rounding the far turn, Formidable Ella So Real. Rushing up from the outside, Royal Fair, Macalelon. Dr. Choice joining into the picture as they swing for home. Formidable Ella So Real, Macalelon, Dr. Choice, Royal Fair, Vermont down on the inside, Domek, Shades of Red, Flying Eyes, third last, and nearing the finish line, So Real, Formidable Ella down on the inside, Macalelon, Vermont, So Real, Formidable Ella, Flying Eyes, 9A, and final it's going to be So Real. Formidable 9A Flying Eyes, Macalelon, Shades of Red, Vermont, Royal Fair, Dr. Choice, Domek.